Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
All I can think about is that since I see you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall.
Guys, I'm going to look for like an ATM or something so I can get cash. Because guys, my heels are killing me. Guys, I'm literally freaking out. My friends are not here yet. My friend is inside, but like the rest of my friends are not here. They're extremely late. At the same time, my shoes are killing me. Damn! Feet are killing me. But anyways, this is me. I didn't do my OOTD with you guys. So this is from the rings, accessories from Mr. Price. The watch, I don't know, but this is me. Yeah guys, that look pretty, right? Shoes as well.
So if you wanna go that way, I'll be ready for you to come pick up your clothes. And put it leaving at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting colder.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All other things.
Chomi, I'm so sorry, Shem. Chomi, you are literally lost. I want to win. Chomi, how are you? Look at my friend. What's your mood, your friend? Look at you. What's one of that? Chomi, I'm the last minute. Chomi, eat no. Choma, scusa, sto subito. Sita le pec. Sita la epic.
Yeah. Big back. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, better get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I heard too much. I love too much, I love too much. I love my conscience. Every day about the tone. I love when you put your phone on the red light.
Yes. Welcome, darlings.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning nothing. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown at NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, both take a shades with a great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince. Bitch, I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 perks for all guys. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time. Hey. Known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Cody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Hey, Cody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Cody, turn me. What?
In a drop top Benz like it's 03. Had the shooters aimed down from the nosebleeds. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man tuck. Yeah, I never slip. SF90 rounds red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood and the stroke is built. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. Lippin' with the 30 on like a pro hip. Red flag giving blood on some donor shit. All the ops get a bullet on some Oprah shit. Went from Angel Town to States to a bigger state. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed. Still a caught a case if I would've stayed. I've been thugging all my life, that's just how I played. Still posted in the A when niggas.
So I'm leaving the place with my friends now. I'm going back home. Guys, I just got back home. As you can see, I didn't even give y'all an update. Guys, I'm so sorry. But then anyways, it's because of storage. That's the problem. I couldn't like vlog. I couldn't, but I was so caught up, you know. I was so caught up. And but yeah, man, this is what I was wearing, by the way. I showed you my outfit, right? But I'm super tired. I really want to change and go to sleep, but I'm not gonna sleep now. So I hope you're still watching. Okay, yeah, better stay tuned. My legs really hurt because I was wearing heels. But then I'm back home. Time is around about 8. I just want to make tea, but I'm not sure, you know what I'm saying. It's very cold, and here the gas is finished. That's the thing. But anyways, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Star.Kent and welcome to star.kent-vlogs. If you don't know me, my name is Naledi. I go by the name Star.Kent and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, guys, I'm home. Guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I just feel like vlogging, I really abandoned vlogging, and I just feel like it's no longer in my veins, no longer in my blood, but I'm trying my best to like stay consistent and like come back, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything is just happening so fast. I always have problems, I don't know why. But anyways, guys, please get me to like 1,000 subscribers so that I can be able to buy a camera. Because what do you mean I only use a phone, and just one phone, and then now I need to like delete and do everything? That's what stress. Good morning, everybody. Anyways, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's the next day. Guys, I'm super tired. I managed to fix whatever it is that I needed to fix with my phone. Now I'm able to vlog, which was supposed to happen yesterday. But anyways, I really hope you do enjoy this video. Today's a Sunday. I want to do some resets. I think I really need to just, you know, tidy up here and clean up. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad, to be quite honest with you. I just feel like cleaning today, you know what I'm saying? You know, when you get that feeling of cleaning. I mean, I do clean every day, but like, you know, when you just don't have a lot of people in the house, it doesn't usually get dirty. So I just feel like I really need to just do some touch-ups there and there, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, I really hope you're good, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, you better share. And guys, like, when I tell you that I'm very tired, I mean my legs, honey. But I'm much better now. Yesterday I couldn't, when I came back home, I just couldn't walk properly because of the heels. Guys, you know, when you're just not used to wearing heels, it's a bit of a problem. It's literally a bit of a problem, because now you're in public and you can't be embarrassing yourself like that. You can't be embarrassing yourself like that, because you day moo, you day crazy. Like, you're a lady, you need to, you know. Undertaking my heel. But anyways, guys, I really just wanted to say that I really enjoyed yesterday. My friend turned 21 and we were celebrating her birthday, and I really think that she did enjoy. Like, we had a nice should I say lunch dinner type of thing, because then we sat from 2 p.m. till 7, I think, or 6, I'm not sure. And then, but then I got there around 3 or 4. I was literally late. I was late. You know why? Let me just explain why.
magnet. So you can either put it like this. Okay, so it shows, or you can either put the magnet to the side, I think. I've seen people do it like this. Can you see that? Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so we also have a 1.6 meter tripod selfie stick, right? This is for Osmo Pocket cameras. I got it by mistake. This is not.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find take a dreamer. What you won't do for love.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my heart uninvited. When you see me on the edge, coming on. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Saying, yeah. Hey. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my heart uninvited. When you see me on the edge, coming on. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Can you put the time on a rewind?